In this lesson, I will explain to you how to make an envelope. Suppose now your letter is ready or your document is ready to mail. You have to write down the address on the envelope. So I will show you. First, you have to click on the mailings tab. Then in the create group, you have to click on envelopes. So see, I will delete this, then I will show you. So this is the delivery address. Here you can write down the delivery address. Suppose I am going to write down Nabil Ishaq 6th Street East, Islamabad, Pakistan. And here you can write down the return address. Suppose Robert Smith, California, and then 4456. This is the code USA. Right? If you have a printer, you want to print and your envelopes are in the printer, just click on this print. If you want to add electronic postage, then you have to click here. Right? I will show you. Go to the options button. In options button, you can select your envelope size. So open this arrow. These are the different envelope size. So select whatever you are looking for from here. Suppose we want E4, and then delivery address and return address font. Open this. So which font you want to like? Here I said okay, Arial is fine, bold, and then we wanted 14, right? And then if you want, you can change the color from here as well, but the black is fine. Okay, go to the return address, do the same thing, bold, and here suppose we want 4. If you want same thing, you can change the color, underline or whatever, and then okay, and okay, and then close. Okay, so print it. If you want to add this to your document, click add, and then you will see it will come here like this. Or you can print your envelope and this is ready to mail. If you still have any question, write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.